Vast datasets can sometimes seem like a deluge of information, but it's what's hidden in them that can be so important. Datasets form patterns that enable us to see trends or problems faster than ever before. Just Accounts has harnessed the power of data to provide bespoke analytical tools that can set accountants free from tedious bookwork and become even more valuable to their clients, as Nick Thatcher reports.
When you're an accountant working with different clients, it can sometimes feel that there's a never-ending pile of paperwork. But a cloud-based business can help strip away the folders and files and free you from your desk and the office. Just Accounts is a company that offers bespoke computer software to contractor accountants, with a mobile platform that can transform their brand and business, as well as the way in which they interact with their clients.
The brilliant thing about Just Accounts is that everything can be done online, so it's all real-time data. The client can put their invoices onto the system straight away. They can take photos of their receipts and send them straight to you. They send their bank statements straight to us, so everything is real time. What is on the system, the client can access straight away, and they know exactly where they're up to in their business. They can access it from their mobile phone, from their laptop, from their iPad. They can see how much corporation tax is due to be paid, when their next VAT return is. Everything's there for us, and as an accountant we can also see that information, so we can then advise them from there.
The software enables accountants not only to interact in real time with their contractors on a set of accounts, but also gives them greater mobility and more efficient processing.
Traditionally, many accountants have only seen clients within a 30-mile radius or so of where they are. But with cloud-based software, they can service clients anywhere from Land's End to John O'Groats. It's technology that has the potential to revolutionise accountancy in a similar way in which internet banking has changed the way in which we bank.
Just Accounts allows the accountant to work in a different way to maybe how they did 10 or 15 years ago. If you think of visiting your accountant 10 years ago, it's very much on ceremony. You went into a dark room with a mahogany desk and leather, and you sort of sat there and were talked at rather than talking with. Now it's very much coffee shop meetings, iPads, mobiles, and having a conversation around data and making better informed decisions for the business.
So if we just click there, that'll run their VAT return.
Just Accounts is white-labelled, so the system can be customised for different accountancy practices in a way that promotes their brand and business, as well as client loyalty and retention. It can also be tailored for bespoke groups of clients, and its cross-company functionality means payment runs or VAT submissions can all be done in one go, quickly and efficiently, giving the accountant the capacity to increase their client base. But it's the collection of data, especially when it relates to specific groups of clients, which can offer accountants real analytical insight into how their clients' different businesses can grow and succeed.
The advantage of big data, having all of your clients' data in one place, is that you can spot patterns that are comparative, historical and relative. So that means that a client can find out how they're doing this year compared to last year, how they're doing on specific jobs compared to other jobs, and also how they're doing compared to other small businesses in the sector. And you can see unusual patterns, so things that you might not link, but the next step is to add the semantics. So we might know that a particular plumber is paying twice as much for hardware in that area, but they might be doing a better job and buy better hardware, so therefore it's actually a better business decision to do that. Now those are the things that the accountants can do at the minute. They can add that context and semantics to the data, but we're also working on adding that as machine learning in the background. And you know, the more information the machine has, the better answers it'll get.
Gone are the days of the end-of-year cosy meeting with the accountant. This kind of technology is transforming the relationship between accountants and their clients into an ongoing partnership, one where cloud-based software and good data analytics can transform the way they both do business.